Welcome to 90 Days Challenge of Learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. In these 90 Days Challenge, we are discussing the serious non-compliances and very critical and important elements of cGMP which are mandatory to be followed as per the guidance. Okay, so you know that if you want to qualify any regulatory inspection or any customer audit or any of the audit easily, effortlessly, it is necessary that you must follow the compliance and guidance each and every day. Yes, you need not to prepare for any regulatory inspection. In fact, that must be the habit. You must be breathing compliance, eating compliance, and walking and talking compliance. Okay, so that it is effortlessly that you will get the great results in any regulatory inspections. Okay, hi, I am Dr. Rupali Paranjape, founder of Blue Ocean Compliance, international best-selling author of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance and TEDx speaker, and I am on mission to help pharmaceutical companies to reduce the cost due to non-compliances and help them qualify the regulatory inspections easily, effortlessly, and with no observations. And I am also on mission to help pharma professionals to live the life of legacy, fulfillment, and abundance. And you know, it is great that we all are pharma professionals and we are working to save the life of a patient. Okay, and with this great thought, I am going to start discussing today's learning. Now, if we are talking about the guidelines or ICH Q7 guideline, okay, so what do you think that whatever contract manufacturing organizations are there, they need not to follow ICH Q7? What do you think? What do you think that whenever any contract manufacturing organization is there, so they need not to follow the US FDA guidance or Europe guidance? Means if you are a API manufacturing company or you are a formulation company or you are manufacturing any of the pharmaceutical product, so and you are giving your manufacturing work to some contract manufacturing organizations, and the question is that whether following the compliance and cGMP guidance by these contract manufacturing organizations is necessary, it is required, or it is not required. Only you as a ANDA holder, DMF holder, or dossier owner, only you are responsible for the cGMP compliance, and all the quality related responsibility is only of your quality unit and not the contract manufacturing organizations unit, whether this is the fact or whether it is acceptable. So answer is no, not at all. Means even the product is being manufactured by the contract manufacturing organization, still they are also equally responsible for the cGMP and compliance, and they must follow the cGMP guidance and guidelines. Means guidance or guidelines. Okay, means whenever you are giving the task of manufacturing your products to any contract manufacturing organizations, so even they are manufacturing your product, but you are responsible for the compliance and quality of the product. Your quality unit is responsible, but yes, their quality unit must be responsible also. Means compliance by them is also mandatory, because overall whatever product quality will be there, it depends on in which area, premises, and which compliance level the product is being manufactured. And in manufacturing there are a lot of steps have coming, and whenever you say that manufacturing is there, so the product manufacturing comes, means it starts from the dispensing of the raw material, and after that the production is happening, and after production packing is happening, packing and then labeling and then relabeling and then testing of the product, and then release of the product, and then distribution of the product, and then the product remains in the market till the product discontinuation. Okay, so this all chain of manufacturing must be done in line with the cGMP compliance or the regulatory guidelines of the country wherever you are selling your product. So compliance is the response. Even you are manufacturing the product in the contract manufacturing organization, but the responsibility of quality is yours. You cannot delegate this responsibility to someone else, but yes, you will have to ensure that all these cGMP compliance must be ensured by the quality unit of that contract manufacturing organization also. So if any contract manufacturing organization is there, so they will also have to follow the principles. They must have their own quality unit, and they should perform all the responsibilities which are specified in the ICH Q7 for the quality unit. Okay, so these were today's learning, and whether whatever you are learning in this 90 days challenge, whether you are applying on your manufacturing site, if you are not applying, then please apply these principles on your manufacturing site, because whenever you will learn, you will know. But if you will not implement these principles on your manufacturing site, so how these principles are going to give you results? Okay, so if you want to get results, then apply these principles on your manufacturing site. And yes, whatever we are discussing, and I'm making these videos and sharing this knowledge so that someone somewhere in corner of any world must be benefited from this. And yes, if you know someone that for whom these knowledge series, these learnings and this sharing can be useful, and it can add the value in the growth of his or her career, then please share these videos with them so that they will also learn from these things, and whatever efforts I am putting, it will be fruitful when someone somewhere in any corner of the world get benefited. Okay, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the learning, and go and revisit all the videos whatever I have prepared till date, and watch again and again and again, and so that you will get new messages from the same video. Because whenever we if you will talk about the learning, so the same thing, it may be book, it may be some video, it may be any source of knowledge. When the first time you listen to it, your level is different, so you learn the different things from the same material or content. When you learn it and you apply it, and then you have the realization of those things, then again when you go and revisit that video or book or any of the content, you learn the different things. This is I am sharing based on my knowledge, because as our level grows, our learning also grows, means with our evolution we keep on learning more and more from the same thing and same idea. Okay, so keep watching again and again and again whatever videos till date I have prepared, and yes, apply these principles on your manufacturing side. Okay, so these were today's learning. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranjape signing out until we meet again. Bye, thank you, and all the best for qualifying the regulatory inspection with no observation. Thank you so much.